Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, I actually did one already this month, but well, let me just kind of tell you how it happened. Of course, you know this is a CURLBOX video as you saw in our title. Well, I reached out to CURLBOX because I'd already been billed for next month, okay? And since they are bidding farewell at the end of this month, which is July, I asked if, since I've already been billed, can I use that money towards their sale? Well, I received a wonderful email back, which told me, you don't want to do that, okay? Because they had a special farewell box for us, okay? So, you know, that was right up my alley. So, of course, I'm like, fantastic. Can't wait to see it. Well, I received my box, okay? And, of course, it came in our, beautiful neon yellow box, okay? Still a little, feeling some kind of way about this being farewell, but, she's going on, Malika is going on to something new. So I did receive this box. Now, I do know the brand that's in this box because it was something on the top that made it, that was too big to fit inside. Okay, so that's how I know what the brand is. And I don't think I've ever seen this one before. So let me just share this last farewell box from CURLBOX. Okay, let's just jump into it. So the first item in this box, now let me just let you know there is no description card, okay? They did not print one for the final box. So this brand is Design Essentials Natural Hair, okay? But that's a name we know. But this is the African Chebe Growth Collection. Okay, here we go. So this one is the African Chebe Growth Collection Anti-Breakage Retention Shampoo. That is the first item that we have. It is a 12-ounce size, and this one is designed to cleanse coily and curly hair, okay? Now, this description says, gently cleanse coils with the African Chebe Anti-Breakage Moisture Retention Shampoo to get the maximum moisture retention. This quick lather shampoo cleanses the hair without stripping it of natural oils, okay? Now, it says the main ingredients for this one. Oh, wow. Well, let me back up just a little bit. It says for centuries, women of Chad, Africa accredited Chibe powder as their secret to attaining healthy hair beyond their waist. They have graciously shared their tradition, helping create this naturally derived product designed to help achieve astonishing length by miraculously combating key inhibitors of growth, dryness, breakage, and damaged hair, okay? It says the benefits of this line, all right, in particular the shampoo right now is specifically formulated to gently cleanse the scalp and remove granules from the Chibe mask without stripping natural sebum or moisture from open hair cuticles. With a nutrient-rich blend of strengtheners and humectants, this shampoo defines coils so well you might think it was a styler. I'm here for it. That said enough right there for me. Okay. Now this one, it says it's best if used by February 2026. However, it does have no way. Now, this is the first time I've ever seen this on a shampoo. It says this one has a 36-month shelf life. 36, 3 years? Okay, that means we can go ahead and open and smell it. You know, it has kind of like an oatmeal type of smell, but mixed with like a clean scent. That's really nice because it's not going to interfere with, if you're one that puts you spray a scent in your hair, it won't interfere with that. It would probably enhance it, but nonetheless. Okay, so that's item number 1. Okay, then item number 2, of course, is the Anti-Breakage Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. This one as well is a 12-ounce size. Okay, and this is what this one looks like. All right, now the description on this one says coily textures can be difficult to detangle, but the African Chebe Anti-Breakage Moisture Leave-In Conditioner deposits hair strengthening fibers that fortifies the hair while it's detangling. Okay, I'm here for this. Definitely here for it. It replenishes moisture and soothes the cuticle for healthier hair. Saves up to 30 minutes of detangling time. Nourishes and restores hair and scalp health. And it's free from parabens and silicones and petroleum. All right. Chibe powder, shea butter, and African extract are the key ingredients for this one. I don't know if we even checked for the key ingredients in the shampoo. Give me a minute. Let me just go back and take a look. Okay, it says that key ingredient for this one would be, that's the shampoo, would be the Chibe powder and African extract. African extract contains key antioxidants that help nourish the hair and the scalp. All right, so that is items 1 and 2. Yes, still a 36-month shelf life. Let's see if this one is any different. Yeah, this one is a little bit more pronounced. And it smells nice. Yeah, that really smells nice. Okay. And then let's see, the next item that we have is the Braid and Twist Out Strengthening Cream. Okay, that's this one right here. And this one is a 12-ounce size as well. And this one says the African Chebe Braid and Twist Out Strengthening Cream delivers high definition and a medium to firm hold when styling 4C twists and coil. This leave-in therapy styler is infused with fiber strengthening Chibe to deliver strong, moisturized, and beautiful hair. Okay, well, we're here for that. Definitely here for that. All right, now it says it contains a blend of Chibe powder, African extracts, and sunflower oil to deliver strong, moisturized, and beautiful hair. And the benefits of this one, it fights frizz with no residue buildup. That's big. Enhances curls and coil definition. provides a medium to firm hold and free from parabens, gluten, phthalates, mineral oils, silicones, and petroleum. I'm here for it. Definitely here for it. So I'm working with another one right now that's also a growth product. So I'm looking forward to using this one so I could kind of see which one is best for my hair. Okay. That's the reason that we get, curl boxes anyway. Well, we did because we had a chance to find out what worked best for us. So I'm checking. I'm definitely checking. Okay. All right. Then the next one that we have is the Herbal Pre-Wash Intense Repair Mask. That's this one right here. Okay, and it says, when coils are extremely dry, the best solution is the African Chebe Herbal Pre-Wash Intense Repair Mask. That's a lot. Which locks in moisture and deposits nutrients essential to strengthening your hair. Okay? Are you ready for growth? It all starts with this product right here, infused with natural Chibe powder. This herbal mask instantly lifts the hair cuticle and deposits nutrients essential to strengthening hair. It helps to repair and nourish hair, minimize the breakage, improve porosity, and promote astonishing growth. Man, these are some serious claims. I am like so ready for this. And it says that it locks in moisture and minimizes breakage caused by dryness. It nourishes the strands with the strengthening power of the Chibe powder, and it's free from parabens, petroleum, silicones, and gluten. The key ingredients for this one is the Chibe powder and African extract as well. All right. Now, it's best if you use this one for 20, or put it in your hair, leave it in for 20 minutes or longer. Now it says if desired. Well, if I want the desired hair growth that they're talking about, I'm going to do the things that they say is best for this product to really work. Okay, so that's just me. I'm not saying that everybody has to do that, but for me, if I want the best results, I want to follow the instructions that they're giving us, so that if it's not working, it's not because of something that I did, and I can kind of call them on the carpet about it and see what's going on. Now, there's one more product, and this is the one that was on the top, way too large to fit in the box. What is that? This one right here. This is the Strengthening and Curl Perfecting Mousse. Okay? And it says, it defines your hair for a long-lasting hold with no crunch. Want perfect curls without the crunch? Our Design Essentials Natural African Chebe Strengthening and Curl Perfecting Mousse provides just the hold you need, infused with fiber strengthening Chibe and over 20 essential oils. This leave-in therapy styler will restore and strengthen your curls. The lightweight curl boosting mousse will lock in precious moisture while simultaneously helping to achieve your favorite curly styles and promote healthy hair growth at the same time. For a stronger hold, try this along with the Braid and Twist Out Strengthening Cream. It says this right here, ideal together, okay? And the key ingredients from this, I'm jumping the gun. It says it provides intense definition to natural curls and coils, lightweight curl boosting formula that provides a medium hold. And it's free from parabens, petroleum, and mineral oil. The key ingredients in this one: Chibe powder, of course, the African extract, of course, but it also says hydrolyzed wheat protein, and that protects and strengthens during styling. Not bad at all. I'll gladly take this. I do like the fact that they told me I would be very pleased with what I was receiving, and I certainly am. I will be even more pleased if my hair growth is ridiculous, okay? I'm just saying. So, what are your thoughts? Let me know down below. Are they going out with a bang or what? I really wish they weren't going out at all, but if they are, this was a nice farewell, okay? As with any of the other ones, I probably would have said the same thing, because each product, actually each brand, really, and the product packages that we've used have been amazing. I think I only had one that did not necessarily work for me, and I can't really say why, but out of everything, and I've been getting CURLBOX for over 4 years, and out of 48 boxes, 3 special boxes, and well, they had a men's special during Father's Day a couple years ago, that actually 3 times I bought them all except for the one this year. So out of all of those boxes, you know, to only have one that wasn't working for me, I think that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I guess I need to reach out to those who have, you know, one, maybe a CURLBOX, or those that I have purchased to gift to someone else. Maybe I need to check with them and see how it worked out for them. But for me, I don't think that's a bad record at all. So, do we want to try to find a replacement box? I need y'all to let me know. I really need you to let me know if we need to try to find something to replace CURLBOX or to fill in for CURLBOX. I don't know if there's anything that can actually replace it, but if we need something to kind of fill in this spot to see if it can indeed compare to CURLBOX, let me know. Let me know. I have enough product to last me for a little while. I have a few boxes that I can try out for myself and let you know. You know, we can still revisit CURLBOX, you know, on this channel with products that I have not used as of yet. So let me know your thoughts down below and we will work it out. This is not just my channel, this is our channel. So let me know what your thoughts are, okay? Now, I just want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we checked out our farewell CURLBOX, okay? Now, these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included, okay? Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, even if you can't get the products from CURLBOX. If it's something that you know someone in your family or in your immediate circle may be in need of, share. Okay, so that way they will know. All right, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.